Hello traders, a quick video. It's Friday afternoon. We have to be careful on Fridays because typically the market gets slower in the afternoon, as it has been. It's typical. And you can see there the ATR at about 1.5, which is about 6 ticks. But I do see some opportunities. 6 ticks is fine. If it drops below 4 ticks, which is a point on the E-mini, we should stay away or be very careful. But I'm going to see if there's a trade here on the Trade Scalper. This is the software that I'm using right now. There was a previous long trade, great long opportunity at 45.90.50 that happened at about 12.20. And now, as we lead up to the end of the hour, we're going to see here possibly a new opportunity. And I'm hoping it's going to be a long trade. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. All right, so there is a long trade here at 45.96.50. I want to enter long. I'm not really entering at the best price possible. The actual Trade Scalper signal says 45.96.50, and I just jumped in at market, and I have 1 point worse. So this is why we should try to use limit orders or even market if touched orders as opposed to just jumping in with market orders like I just did here. But I just jumped in. I wanted to get this long because I see a great opportunity. There's a couple of other long trades that occurred earlier in the day with the autopilot and the roadmap, but right now I'm only focusing on this one long trade with the Trade Scalper software, the Trade Scalper program. Now, if you do have the Trade Scalper program, remember we have training every Friday for lifetime users, yearly users, or monthly users. You can attend every Friday with the Trade Scalper class. It's private only. And if you like these videos and if you want to learn more on how we trade price action, I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have new videos coming out almost every day, and we have live streams as well on a daily basis, a market review. Sometimes the live stream is in the morning during the market, so it depends on our availability. Now, this video is being recorded live. We usually post our videos within an hour or two of the trade finishing on the same day. So this is a live recording of the Trade Scalper entering into this trade long. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to bore you guys with watching this for the next 10 minutes. I'm going to speed up this video so we can see the result. The one thing I do have to mention is that we avoid holding our trades for an hour or 2 hours. There's usually a good finite time that we know immediately whether we should get out of the trade. So one of the things that we teach here at Daytradetowin is about a time element. If you're entering into a trade, not only to use a hard stop, which you can see there's a hard stop at 45.94.25, but you should also be using some type of time stop, a time element, or how many candles have traded. If you're using a different type of chart, how many candles have traded and there's nothing really happening. The chart is maybe whipsawing or range bound, you should also get out of the trade. Or let's say that there's another situation happening where there's a sell signal that occurs. So we can be long here on the Trade Scalper, and then there's an opposite signal to go short. At that point, it's not really clear what we should be doing, and I think it's a good idea to exit the trade. So always use multiple exit strategies as part of your trade management to exit a trade. And the same thing is true if I had another signal here. Let's say it was the roadmap or the at the open or the Atlas line that also told me to go long. That is great. That is what I want to see. Multiple methods indicating either to go long. What I want to avoid is multiple methods that are conflicting, saying one method indicating long, one method indicating short. That's where it's not really clear what we should do and we stay on the sidelines. Now, there is a position in the market that not a lot of traders think about. That position is being flat. So you don't always have to be in a position long or short. You can also stay on the sidelines and be flat and wait until there's actually an order, a good opportunity to enter into the market. Let's see what happens here. All right, and there you have it. That was the profit target. I just got the alert as well. Remember that mentorship includes all the courses and software. So if you're interested in learning everything we have to offer at Day Trade to Win, mentorship is the choice for you. I'll see everyone at the next video. Until next time.